All right, guys, we're going to review some rhythms and the counting. We're going to start with this. So this is our quarter note, and it gets one beat. So we give it a number. Remember, the hashtag means number. Going along with that, we have our quarter rest. It also gets one beat. It also gets a number. I put it in parentheses. That way we know it's a rest. All right, these two guys stuck together. Those are our eighth notes. The first one's going to get the number, and the second one gets the and. Okay, so remember the hashtag is the number, the plus sign is the and. Then we have our 16th notes. So this is the long one. It's the number, E, and Just dividing that one B into four parts. Number, E, and So one E and or two E and or three E and or four E and Okay, so this is something a little bit different. I know we haven't gone over this in class yet, but I want you to know what these look like for the composition thing I'm going to have you do. This is when you put two 16th notes together with an eighth note. So these are two 16th notes. They take up the first two parts, the number, the E, and the eighth note takes up the and. The is part of this eighth note here. So it'd be like one E and, two E and, three E and, four E and. You can also flip them and do the eighth note first. So it would be one and two and three and four and So the number first and then and one and two and three and four and Now we're back to stuff you know. That's our half note. It gets two beats. If you're going to write it, it's 1 through 2 or 2 through 3 or 3 through 4, wherever it falls in the measure. And the half rest, remember, looks like a hat. It takes up also two beats. We just put it in parentheses so you know that those are silent spaces. And then we have our whole note. It gets 1 through 2 through 3 through 4, takes up the whole 4-beat measure. And then our whole rest, you're walking along the line, you fall into a hole. That's our whole rest. And then also takes up all 4 beats that are silent.